Here's how to have the perfect family escape in 48 hours just north of the Golden Gate. Spend time at Slide Ranch, where kids meet farm animals and explore short trails, head to Sea Trek kayak and paddle calm water together, and spot harbor seals with a guided tour. Enjoy a waterfront lunch at Sam's Anchor Cafe and take the ferry from Tiburon to explore Angel Island. Sit down for classic comfort food at Buckeye Roadhouse, a Marin favorite for families. Stay central at Courtyard by Marriott in Larkspur with room to relax and recharge. With playgrounds and kid-friendly shops, let the kids play while you browse and snack at Marin Country Mart. This is Marin, you're welcome.